Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Zoom and signing in. Use email, Google, or SSO. Once logged in, make sure camera and microphone permissions are granted so audio/video work. Go to New Meeting to start instantly or schedule for a future time. Give the meeting a clear title and time. Invite people by clicking Invite or copy Invite link, then paste into chat or calendar. Once participants arrive, check the participant panel and move to the next steps to manage AV and interactions. You should now confirm audio and video are configured. Open settings and test speaker and microphone, choose the right input and adjust volume so others hear you clearly. Next, pick your camera and enable touch-up or background if desired. These are helpful for a polished look. During the call, use the mute and video buttons to control presence and manage participants by granting screen share or muting them. Once stable, move on to sharing content and collaboration features. When you're ready to present, click Share Screen and choose what to display. Your entire screen, a specific window, or the whiteboard. Toggle Share Computer Sound if playing audio. If you need a permanent record, start recording locally or to the cloud and tell attendees. Recordings save to the designated folder afterwards. To finish, click End Meeting for all or leave meeting if another host will continue. If something breaks, restart your Zoom app. That often resolves mic, camera, or sharing glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.